Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is AmanChopra, and today I'm going to be showing you how I use Notion as a student. So if you don't know what Notion is, it's essentially an all-in-one workspace where you can write, collaborate, plan, and as well manage projects, manage tasks, and take notes, and so much more. But before I start, do hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified about any new videos like this one. So if you're familiar with Notion and its plans, then feel free to skip ahead in the video. But if you're a new user, before I get into how I use Notion, here are the plans that Notion offers. Notion has 4 plans which are very well priced and loaded with features. However, the plans that I recommend for students is the personal plan and the personal pro plan. The plan that I'm on is the personal plan, which is free and comes with unlimited blocks and pages, syncing across devices, and many other cool features. The personal pro plan is similar to the personal plan but a little bit better. It comes in at about $4 per month, and it gives even more freedom to the individual using it, which means you can have unlimited file uploads and have unlimited guests who can see your pages. And as a bonus, Notion is actually giving away the personal pro plan for free to students at an accredited college or university. So next I'll be going through how I use Notion and how it helped me during my time using it. So I have 4 pages, as you can see on my screen on the left side, but today I'm only going to be going through 2 of them and showing the different ways in which I use Notion. The first page I made was the LifeOS page, whose name I actually copied from another popular YouTuber known as Ali Abdal, and I found it extremely clever, so props to him. And in this page you can see that I have a category for school. So for example, I use this weekly agenda to keep track of anything that I have coming up for school or just in general for life, and it's also super easy to add something to a calendar. So let's say for example I have to record a YouTube video on Tuesday. All I would have to do is find the date, click this little plus icon, and just simply fill in the info, and that's it. The second category in this page is what I like to call my side stuff. And so for instance, if I show you my bedroom setup planning, you'll see that there's a nice and organized board. And one of the nifty features here is that not only does Notion allow you to customize your page with an emoji and an image banner, but you can also change the way the information is presented, like this. And as I mentioned before, you can add an unlimited amount of blocks such as text, images, or other pieces of content, etc. I made this board specifically for my bedroom setup planning. However, you can do something similar for projects or school-related activities as well. The second page I have is the anti-waste man system, which I actually downloaded as a template from Ali Abdal's Notion page, which I'll be putting a link to in the description below, and as well as a link to many other free templates for those of you guys that want to check it out. And basically, I find this page to be super useful because I use it to keep myself responsible when trying to achieve a goal, and it helps me in making me understand in what ways I can fail and what I can do to prevent that and be successful in achieving my goal. So this is essentially how I've been using Notion, and in terms of how it's helped me in my life, I would say that I initially downloaded Notion to see how it works and just to check it out. But over time, as I started using it more and more, I realized that it made me more of an organized and productive person, and it helped me to keep on track with the things that I have to do with YouTube, school, and just everyday life. I would definitely recommend Notion for students and just anyone wanting to be more organized, because Notion helps you to keep your life on track and makes you a productive person overall. And with the access to so many features, tools, and various pre-built templates, the possibilities with how you use Notion are limitless. So that's it for this video today, guys. If you enjoyed it and learned something, please hit that subscribe button below, leave a like and comment, and if you missed my last video, which is on the insanely fast charging Aki 60 watt power adapter, click right here to go and check that out. And as always, thanks for watching.